Noprias presents branch-wise clips for JOSA counseling. Through Noprias, its members and volunteers are trying to provide you the best counseling support and guidance. We are only trying to brief you about different disciplines in college, and we are not asking you to compulsorily opt for any specific college or branch. We hold no liability or responsibility for any misinformation that creeps in while following this video. Please take your final decision at your own discretion. As you all know that the counseling and admission season is live and all the soon to go college students are confused with what branch they should prefer as they are clueless about their branch. So we are here to help you out. Hello everyone, I am Saraswati Kumari, an executive member of Noprayas, and I have Mr. Ranjit Kumar with us who will be telling you guys about a newly introduced branch that is data science that has been newly introduced in some of the colleges like IIT Mandi, and he will be telling some of his experiences in that branch. So, hello, Mr. Ranjit Kumar. Can you please tell us about your college and this branch, data science?
Yeah, sure. So, thank you, Saraswati, for calling me here. Myself, Ranjit Kumar. I did my BTech from Electrical and Electronics Engineering from NIT Surathkal. That was in the year of 2016. I've been working in CityCorp services for the last 4 years, and I'm trying to shift my career from a kind of full stack developer of a software engineer to data scientist. So I kind of am familiar with the what kind of requirements are and what would be in the course of data science. So that's why I wanted to take up this task of introducing you to the new branch of data science. So yeah.
As you are going to tell us about the branch data science, I'd like to know about the branch curriculum of data science in brief.
Uh, okay, so data science, as mentioned right before, so it's fairly new and kind of prematured course as of now. So the things are not clarified as much as compared to all other branches, and all these things here, which will you will be learning, will be quite latest development, which are happening in last 10 years or 15 years, right? So as a course, you will be learning about how to handle data and like visualization of all those things when you learn how to make reports out of that, right? You'll learn basic foundations of data science. What is the history about data science, right? You will have emphasis on the statistics part of it, right? The math which you have learned, right? The statistics part of that, and also the matrix. So major part what you will be learning as a data science would be a Python as a programming language or R, but we mostly it will be Python, right? And then mathematics background will be covering statistics, matrices, and linear algebra. So these will be 3 or 4 important points which you will be learning.
Yeah, that was a very nice explanation of the curriculum in data science. I hope that will help the students out there to decide if they're interested to take this branch or not. Now, I'd like to know about the pros and cons of taking data science as a major branch.
Okay, so again, repeating the same thing, as it's fairly new branch, right? So things are not matured enough, and people even hiring the companies who are hiring it, they are also not certain what kind of job they will be giving you, right? So the titles also are not decided that either you will be going for data analyst or data science and all those things, right? So the pros would be you get to learn about the most recent technologies which are happening, right? Let's say you might be aware of the cars, autonomous cars and all, right? Which drive without the driver, the car is running on a track. And then you must have seen the futuristic view of all the tech movies, sci-fi movies, that no one is sitting on the car and still it's traveling from point A to point B. So how those things are possible? Those things you will be learning here, right? So if you want to be in pace with the technology, you should take this branch. That is the pro, right? The cons would be It's fairly new. So that is the only con as of now. But you might also think that in 5 or next 5 years, it will be kind of at a state where you can call it as a matured department or matured career. So, and as you are going to enroll yourself now, and you are going to be in the market after 4 years, so that also does not become a con for you. So I do not see much of a con here, but if you are interested in other subjects, then also you should look for other subjects as well.
Yeah, and I'd also like to know about the scope of higher studies in the branch data science.
Uh, so, so the whole crux of data science is everyone is contributing towards it, right? So there are big companies who are generating lots of stuff around data science, right? So they require higher studies people. Let's say they want someone to be in MTech or MTech in statistics or higher education people to do research because it's developing. So the whole industry requires people who can make some new changes in it, right? Rather than just use it. So if you have such vision, you should go for higher studies, right? That would be one thing. And there are fairly lots of job opportunity which will be coming in next 4 years. So yeah, I do not think that either job or higher education will be any kind of problem if you choose data science as a course right now.
Okay, so now we know a lot about the branch curriculum of data science and also about the pros and cons of that branch. I'd like to know why anyone should go for this branch.
So, yeah, if you have interest in developing something new using computer science, if you are in a buzzword kind of thing that you want to do something in computer science, in parallel, if you have interest in mathematics as well, and majorly in matrices, linear algebra, and statistics, right? Because you will be dealing with lots of data, right? It will be just data and all the numbers and all, right? So you should know the basic things about number, how the normal curves are, how the numbers are distributed in any kind of a chunk of data, right? So all those kind of distributions, with kind of distributions which are, you should know mean, median, standard deviation, and all those things. If you are in that kind of a field or these things, if it interests you, then this is a choice which you can make. And yeah, it will be really good for you if you are interested in both the things, computer as well as maths. So yeah, those people should go ahead with this.
Okay, that was nice interacting with you, Mr. Ranjit Kumar. Uh, Thank you for providing us insights about the branch data science. I hope this would help the students out there who are opting for data science as their major branch. Thanks.
Yep. Thank you. Thank you, Saraswati, for having me.